Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add adjustment to the background only with CapCut PC. For example, I'm going to import the video that I want to edit, this video, and just click adjustment on the right and you can adjust for the text option available here. For example, I'm going to select the brightness, contrast, highlight, shadow, and illuminate. So to run, select the clip and right click and create component clip. Select the same video as an overlay, put on top, and go to cutout. Scroll down, select auto cutout or remove the background automatically, so you can see the adjustment is applying to background only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please like, comment, share, comment.